Welcome once again. Today we are going to discuss how to create bar charts. In this case, we are discussing how to get bar chart. How do we find bar chart of this? You come to this, you highlight this. Now you move straight to this insert, right? You come to this place, this very particular point, you click on it. Now I'm using 3D, so this is what I am using. You can pick this or pick any of it here, but me, I'm going with this. So as you can see, this is the bar chart. So you can come here, you can put it right up here. So this place, this is, let's say, fruit bar chart, right? Fruit bar chart. So in this case, this is what we are looking for. Now, if you don't want this line to appear, you click on it, you right click, you come to this format, then something like this will pop up. This is border, then put it no line, right? So as you can see from this, the line have disappeared. Please, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like Cloudy360, subscribe for us for more video, and share to your friends. Thanks.